Hi, this is Vladan from SX Virtualization blog. Today we're gonna set up Infinio Accelerator. Infinio Accelerator can accelerate your shared data stores, which can be iSCSI or NFS. There is a simple installer, Windows based, and you basically follow an assistant where you choose to install the management VM, you choose the network, assign a basic DNS name to the management appliance, choose a static or dynamic IP address, continue with the assistant, you enter the connection credentials, create your password, and you can deploy the system. This is actually deploying the management VM, and after the management VM is deployed, we will be able to connect to this VM and continue with the setup. It takes a couple of minutes to deploy. You can see the VM takes about 4 gigs of RAM. It's Ubuntu Linux. Okay, so let's open the management console, and from there we can go further with the setup. It's a full HTML5 web user interface. Very nice UI, very nice. So by default, the accelerator does pick up both of my hosts, and I choose to accelerate one of my data stores. The data store is iSCSI SAN called Drobo, and the Infinio management VM is actually right now deploying 2 VMs, one on each host. I can show you. Each host, on each host there will be a VM created with 8 gigs of RAM. This VM will be actually the acceleration VMs. So instead of the requests going directly to the SAN, they're going to be cached by those accelerated VMs, accelerator VMs. It takes a few minutes to deploy and start those VMs. Once done, we can connect to the Infinio back again. So this is actually a few hours later, and I already put some workload on the data store, and we can see we can actually zoom, click and drag to zoom to a certain period to see when the acceleration has started and how many offloads, how many requests has been offloaded by the accelerators. Here we have some online help to see what to look for in the graphs. You can see the blue line is actually the read requests offloaded by the accelerator, yeah. and the graph above is the response time. Very cool, very cool. Change to megabytes. We can drag to have other periods. I just started the appliance a few hours before, and there is already some data. Yeah, the cache can be adjusted. By default, it picks the memory it needs, but you can adjust. If you have lots of memory, you can put more, etc. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.